wanted to
You wanted to.
tell
Mm. Who?
waitress.
Yes, woman. I knew. Okay. Girl. Oh, you wanted to tell waitress what?
I don't.
Why? Why?
I didn't tell.
Very good. I did not. I didn't. Why? Why?
용기가 얼마나 많이 있어요? Because
What?
I can speak in English. Yeah.
Can't speak English. What did you want to say? What did you want to tell waitress?
Oh,
No, what? Can I have your number? Very easy. Memorize.
may I
May I?
know your name?
May I know your name? Oh my god.
Have you
Boyfriend. Do you have a boyfriend?
Are you married?
Are you married?
What's
Wait.
your first question?
First
Are you
question.
married?
Oh, that's good. Because I. Oh, what? If married, of course, no. No conversation. Okay. And then what else? Oh, okay.
Many girls
Many girls.
already married and
Uh-huh.
have
Mhm.
had
Many girls have.
boyfriend.
Yes.
I'm
Mm.
disappointed.
Really?
Yes.
You're disappointed. There are many single girls out there. Why are you looking for a girl?
Why?
Yeah, why?
I need to.
Why?
My ex-girlfriend
Your ex-girlfriend.
already has
That is so sad.
revenge.
Revenge. Yes, that is good revenge. Exactly. When your ex, another person, you get another person. Better. More beautiful. But not yet. In the Philippines, no. You haven't met girlfriend, no? Yeah, no, right?
I won't put yet.
Yeah. But no,
That day.
not yet. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, right? It's okay. Yes. It's okay, Bruce. When you finish studying in academy, you will go to Australia. In Australia, maybe. Girlfriend. It's okay. Many girls there. Okay, so study English very hard. So when you go to Australia, you can pick up many girls. You know pick up? Pick up
Pick
girl.
up.
Well, that's pick up. You can also pick up women. Meet women.
Same me.
No, pick up is bad word.
Bad word?
Yeah. Not bad. Just pick up is like, hi, what's your name? You and me together, let's go. That's pick up.
Because
Strange woman. You don't know woman. Hello. Hi, I'm Bruce. Your name is blah blah blah. Okay, let's go together.
together where?
Where do you want to go? Yeah, like that.
Sorry?
Yeah.
Very short, fast.
Yeah, very fast. Let's pick up. Okay? Let's pick
One
up.
night.
Yes. Picking up women is getting women for one night. You don't know pick up? Oh, okay. There, let's pick up. Pick up girls. Oh, very bad girls. Now,
pure girl.
now you know pick up girls. Where did you meet?
Easy girl.
Yeah, easy girl. Did you meet any easy girl in the Philippines?
I've done it.
I heard you have. They said this. Oh yeah,
Who say?
secret.
Bali?
Somebody you had one night stand already before. Is it true or just joke?
Not joke.
Really, I'm so disappointed.
Only joke.
I don't believe him. No, you said to everyone.
Joke. Only.
You met and then only one night stand. Like that, you said.
Only once I want.
Only wish. You know wish? Only wish. I wish. Birthday wish, I want. Okay? I'm really sad. I thought you already met easy girl.
No.
No!
No. Easy girl is not delicious.
Really? Your English is getting better. His English is getting better, right? He said easy girl is not delicious. Wow. Why? Explain.
Tell it.
Why not delicious?